Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, May 30th, and we're going to take a look at the S&P really quick and some of the price action that happened today and kind of what we were doing in the trading room. Now, one thing I want to point out here is this is why it's so important to pay attention to your trend. And if you're day trading, one of my favorite time frames personally to look at for trend and for setups is your 30-minute price chart. And you can see here over the night session, we changed back to an uptrend and started putting in higher highs, higher lows. So we came into the day with an uptrend intact. We pulled back, and the main thing we were watching is could we get above that pivot high yesterday at 2709.5, because if we could get above 2709.5, we were looking for it to go all the way up to 2720, right around 2720, and fill the gap from that big gap down yesterday. So we ended up jumping, broke through 2709.5, and you can see we just kind of took off and steadily climbed throughout the day and have continued to head higher all the way up until where we're stalling right now at 2722, with that gap now filled. Now it's important to remember, gaps typically will get filled. Normally markets are going to fill their gap, but if you time it right, you don't want to just blindly buy a market because it gaps down or sell a market because it gaps up. Wait until the market changes direction and gives you a well-defined setup to get in. Don't just blindly be jumping in and hoping for the best, because that's a good way to lose money. Get in with a well-defined setup where you can have defined risk and a defined target, so you have that good reward risk ratio, because that makes it very, very forgiving, or much easier for you as a trader to be long-term profitable, because it forgives a lot of mistakes. A good reward risk ratio will cover up a lot of bad mistakes traders will make. So again, just to point out here a couple things. First off, trading, make sure you're trading on the right side of the trend intraday. 30-minute time frame is one of the best time frames to do that if you're day trading. Especially if you're day trading futures, I should say. Second, look for gap fills, but don't just blindly buy a gap down or sell a gap up. Look for the market to pull back and give you a setup to actually get in with defined risk and defined target. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading, everybody.